Number 1, Abdurrahman Amara from grade 2, Abdullah Gandhi. What does mean predators? Forward back, quickly. Give me the answer. Don't have hand, please. Number 2, from grade 12. What does mean bilingual? Go. With that, please, quickly. No. Write the answer and put it here. Ahmed Habib. Write the answer and put it here. Grade 10 with the students. Abdurrahman Amara. What does mean dynamic? Dynamic, quickly. Go there. Open any bag and give me the answer, quickly. Write the answer, Abdullah, please. Write the answer. Predators. The question here, grade 12, predators. And the question here from grade 12, bilingual. And grade 10, dynamic. Write the answer quickly. Stick it out and put it here.
Animals.
Hurry up. Write it quickly. Yes? I'm waiting. And the first. Quickly. Get it here, please. And the last one, grade 11, Ahmed Habib. Okay, the first students here, Abdurrahman, can you give me the answer? What does it mean, dynamic?
Bodies that always active. Somebody that was always active and energetic. Yeah.
Again, speak louder, please.
Somebody that always active and energetic. Yeah.
Can I say changing or developing? Always active is someone always active or changing development. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman Amara. Now, with the words, with the students, Ahmed Habib, what does mean bilingual?
Someone who can speak Arabic and English.
Someone who can speak Arabic and English is bilingual. Thank you so much, Ahmed Habib. Now, with the grade 12, with the students, Abdullah Gandhi, what does mean predators?
Animals.
Only animals? No. Only animals? All the animals, I can say. All animals are predators? What kind of correct this mistake? Thank you so much, Ziad. Thank you so much, Abdullah. Listen to Ziad. What does mean predators? Ziad? Again? Thank you so much. Sit down here. الطالب الثاني احمد حبيب جريد 11. تحيه قويه لاحمد حبيب يا شباب. انتوا اللي الصف الثاني. From grade 12 زياد مصطفى. Clap your hand please.